back to my channel. So today I'll be doing some crochet styles, different way of styling your crochet hairstyle. This one is one very simple style I didn't even put much effort into it, so you can see, guys. But I will go proper into the video. I hope you guys enjoy all my hair videos. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you love my hair videos. You can watch my playlist for different natural hairstyles I've done and protective hairstyles you may be interested in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Let me know you guys are loving these hair videos I'm teaching out. Okay, so let's get into it. So guys, the first one is to create a side part. This is a very simple style. So my stylist, when she was making my hair, she made a side part and made it easy for me to also have a center part. I'll also show you guys. You can see how neat the side part is. This is the easiest way to style your crochet braid. I did this, you know, those crochet braid you did one by one, so it's almost like I did normal braid, but this is crochet. It took few hours, and you can see how good it looks without much effort, and you're already good to go. So the second one is the middle part, which I said earlier in the video, and there are other different styles you can wear for work, you can wear for hangout, you can wear for party, you can wear it as a wedding guest. Hope you guys love this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Let's get to 100 likes, you know, for your girl, for always turning up for you guys once a week or twice a week.
I'm looking down from up in the sky. I don't like it. Oh, I've been without you for all this time. Good God, I'm bent out of shape now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. Oh. We're moving places I can't control. I don't know how to be without you. I don't feel whole. Look what you've done to me now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. No, you like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now? You never took me seriously. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's you I love. your style might grow on me. You're never really honest, made me guess. And now I want you far from close to me. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome, but I can't promise that you're gonna be out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna do with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss, but I can't promise that you're gonna be out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna do with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss, strawberry on my lips and sugar fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so on fleek. Forget who we are. Let's dance until dawn. Music on repeat. You can beat this feeling. Let's keep this going on and on. Crack open models on and on and on and on it. Caught up in the moment. Feels just like I'm dreaming. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah.
So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Let's get it to 100 likes. Also endeavor to check my other videos on my different hairstyle video. This is a very simple hairstyle you can wear when you're going for an event or a party, or you just want to turn up with your girls, you know. So this style is very easy to do with your crochet hairstyle. You can also tie this into another extra bun if you want to go extra with your hairstyle. So definitely check my playlist for different hairstyles to style your box braid, how to style your natural hair. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till another time. Bye guys.